Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Well, happy new month of June 2022. Hope you've been well and you're doing well wherever you're viewing me from. Oh well, it is past midnight and yet to sleep. Reasons, my baby has been really unwell. She's already 6 months, and of course, there are so many changes that are happening within her, adapting to feeding, her system, and even her digestion. All that are new adaptations that my baby is going through at 6 months, and well, in all, new changes were meant to happen, and well, my girl is really unwell. She's been having fever for the past, now this is the second day, and today very early in the morning, the hours of 2 to 3 a.m. up to around 8, she had such a terrible fever, and I had to manage it through. Of course, it's not the first time we have had fever, but at least now I can be able to manage giving her a sponge, like her wife. Sorry, seems I already feel hungry, but I had to try and manage her fever, and I had to remove all her clothes and give her with just a little clothing so that the fever could go down, because the head was hot, the forehead, the back, yeah, right in all these parts, this big spot, and at the back of the head, I don't know. And I just learned that babies' heads become hot, and the rest of the body is called like our normal temperature. The arms, the hands, and the feet could be cold or just normal temperature, but the head becomes extremely hot, and then I don't know. This part is just normal temperature, but you see the forehead part of the baby is very hot, and then the back part, because the fever is the thermoregulatory system of a baby is not well developed, so that's the reason why you find that the baby's head becomes hot than the other parts of the body. So when that happens, you're supposed to ensure that of course you can give the baby a paracetamol, you can give them a sponge squeeze on their forehead to just cool the temperature, and apart from that you can just give them a paracetamol just to monitor the fever. You can, in her sleep, you can just tell the way she sounds. It's because she's really uneasy and comfortable with the heat, the forehead, it makes her, it is not too extreme like other times. Well, it's because she's also having a cold, a cough. So realized just at the moment I feed her anything, I breastfeed, or for this case, I fed her some porridge in the evening. She coughs, and there's nothing that is staying intact in the stomach. I feed her on porridge, she coughs. Sorry, I also have a cold. So I ensure whenever I'm coughing, I have to hold my mouth. Of course, I don't make it worse for my baby. She's already having a cold. I have coughs. But then, all in all, I'm trying to manage the fever through. I cannot sleep when my baby is really unwell. It's been tough nights yesterday. Tough day. The baby crying, just wanting to stay, just wanting my attention. But that's okay and pretty normal. So babies get fever when there are new changes, and babies are having coughs, and also a runny nose, but at least it has subsided. So the fever, I'm just reducing the amount of clothing. Like here, I had just in a fleece romper. So just unzip it, and because you cannot keep the baby so cold, the onesies I've dressed her in is very light, because I cannot leave her to go to the cold on, so that the fever goes down, and I have uncovered her. Actually, initially I had let me see. I'm sorry, mommy. Initially I had even just only I added some pair of socks. I had to remove them and just let her stay in the stockings. I want this and this fleece romp. The fever. I wanted to go down, so I don't want to cover her with a blanket. That's this blue blanket over here. Just want to let her stay. Sorry, and see if the fever is gonna go down. If not, I'm gonna be giving her a supplementary. That one you administer the via the baby's bum, and it does work very fast. Within 15 at most 30 minutes, the baby's fever is gone, and the baby's temperature, she goes back to normal. So you can hear in her sleep, it's like she's so uncomfortable. Touch, because I can feel that it's still hot. Sweetheart, I love you. Get well soon. so saddening when the baby is unwell. But at least nowadays I can manage. I don't really panic a lot like it used to be at the beginning. But probably even the teething is almost beginning because she's yet to start teething. But I've learned to manage and trying to go the fever. And if it persists by tomorrow, I have to take her to the hospital in the morning. Yep. But I'm here for the night for her until she's okay. That's when I can return to sleep. But until then, I'm right here. It's my time to minister that story. For those who don't know, this is how it looks like. It's made of paracetamol. Mm-hmm. 50 milligram. The morning I had administered another paracetamol. So I hope it works. Everything to God in prayer. Thank you for watching and viewing. Thank you for viewing. Please give me your sentiments and your thoughts about what you think about now you handle fever. Yes, everything is under control and shall be well. That's my hope and prayer. Yep. Everything going every down. It's increasing by the minute. So you insert this one in the baby's bum bum. Of course, it helps out within a few minutes. It goes back to normal. Yeah. So until next time, bye and good night, or good morning, good afternoon.